Hi folks, Terry Brown here. I want to thank you so much for taking a few moments of your time to check out this video today. I'm introducing this really great, simple system, but yet has the potential to help you to earn some really great extra income, okay? And, you know, an extra $500 a month, an extra $1,000 a month. Yeah, it's very possible, even more with this little simple system. As you can see, it says easy daily pay, $50 a pop. That's it. Okay. Great online business that pays you $50 instantly over and over again. I like this system because almost everybody can grab hold of $50 one time out of pocket, okay, to start a great business where they can earn $50 over and over again. Okay, so once you pay your one-time $50, then we're going to give you access to this simple money-making system. Okay? And you'll watch the short 3-minute video to get started. Earning $50 payments to your Cash App, Google Pay, Zelle, or Stripe account. And I'm going to take you to the page in just a bit. Okay, there's no experience needed. It's a super simple system, and the page that I'm going to share with you is converting like crazy. The beautiful thing about it is this: you don't need a website, because you're gonna get a web. Talking too fast. You're gonna get a web page, okay, that really does all the marketing for you. Now I put this little page together from a system that I have. You don't need this. This is just something that I like to do. But this I've got a system. It's a totally it's a marketing system, full marketing system for $10 a month. If you wanted something like that in the future, then you can do that. I'm going to leave the link. But to do this program, you really don't need it. Okay. So again, it's a super simple system. The page is converting like crazy, okay, and you can receive as many $50 payments as you want. Just for a week is an extra $800 a month. 20 sales a month is going to give you an extra $1,000 a month. Okay, just think how many people online you can share this with. That's how powerful this is. Okay, you get some valuable training products with this tool, with this system as well. Okay, there's no website needed, as I mentioned before, and you'll have a powerful marketing web page to use. Okay, not only that, those who join with me are going to get my advertising resources. Okay, and so that's going to be valuable in itself. All right, so let's go to the page. Okay, and this is the page that you're actually going to market right here. Come on, come on. Nah, I'm just kidding. And as you can see, is that going to start playing? We don't really want to play that right now, but I want you to see this. Discover how to turn this page into your page that generates direct $50 payments to you. Okay. And so you'll listen to that video. I want you to come and listen to the video. And as you can see, you can pay with Google, you can pay Cash App, you can pay with Zelle. And I'm probably going to add Stripe to my payments, to be one of my payment processors. And we'll kind of go from there. But let me just scroll on down a little bit and you'll see, oh, before I do that, let me move myself right here. And it says exclusive benefits. Look, don't miss out on this. Education, tools, plus payments straight to your inbox. Okay, so we'll just scroll on down. You'll see 5 resale rights products, copy of web page, reseller license, direct payments. Okay, and you'll come and you'll take a look and you'll see everything, and you see really simple page, really nicely done. Okay, and it's a page that's converting well. Okay, but there you have it. And so but let me do this. Okay, yeah, but there you have it. I did want to just mention once again that I appreciate you. I thank you for stopping by to check out the video. And I'm going to leave the links in the description area of this video. You know, if you wanted the little marketing system that I use, autoresponder, everything that you need, you can take a look at that too. Again, you don't need it for this program. Okay. I like to do things like this. It's just something that I like doing. But again, you don't need this particular page to market this system, because that one page will do it for you. Okay. And so I'm going to leave the 2 links in the description area of this video where you can get signed up for this amazing marketing program where you can receive $50 a pop. Okay. I'm Terry Brown. I'm wishing you a blessed and wonderful day today. Hope to see you on the inside real soon. All right. Bye-bye now.